Hello and welcome to Midas Markets Daily News. Let's kick off your trading day with the latest financial news and market headlines.
Hi traders, this is Jason with the market update. The US dollar index is holding near 99.1, close to its highest level since early December last year. The latest US CPI data largely met expectations, reinforcing the view that the Federal Reserve may keep policy unchanged later this month. Importantly, underlying inflation pressures are easing, with core CPI rising just 0.2% month on month, below forecasts. Investors now turn their attention to US PPI and retail sales data for further direction. WTI crude is trading around $60.30, hovering near a 12-week high as markets await comments from US officials ahead of a White House meeting on Iran. Tensions remain elevated after President Trump cancelled talks with Iranian officials while backing ongoing protests. Any escalation could threaten Iran's roughly 3.3 million barrels per day of oil output. Trump also warned that countries doing business with Iran may face new 25% tariffs, adding to supply concerns. Gold prices surged around $4,643, marking a fresh record high. The rally is driven by rising expectations of US rate cuts and stronger safe haven demand. December data showed further easing in underlying US inflation, offering a clearer picture after earlier distortions. Interest rate futures now reflect divided expectations, with markets pricing in 2 to 3 Fed rate cuts this year, well above policymakers' median outlook. The Japanese yen rebounded to around 158.5, its lowest level since July 2024, and close to the psychologically important 160 mark that previously triggered official intervention. The yen had come under pressure amid speculation that Prime Minister Sanae Takaichi may call an early election next month to strengthen her mandate and pursue expansionary fiscal policy. On the economic front, private surveys show manufacturing slowing due to trade frictions, while services face tourism-related disruptions, limiting the Bank of Japan's ability to raise rates. Euro is holding steady near 1.164 as markets digest political tensions surrounding the US Federal Reserve. Reports that the Trump administration is considering legal action against the Fed have weighed on the dollar and provided some support for the euro. Ongoing political pressure on the US central bank is seen as negative for dollar credibility. Meanwhile, signs that the European Central Bank is nearing the end of its rate cutting cycle are offering the euro modest support.
We hope you enjoyed today's market outlook. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Remember to join us tomorrow morning for the freshest news.